Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: MySQL credentials and a working Jupyter env. First, install MySQL connector Python and SQL Alchemy with pip inside the kernel you'll use. Once done, load the IPython SQL extension so you can run SQL magic. This makes queries inline and more reproducible. Make sure your MySQL server allows remote connections or you're on the same host. If you use a virtualenv or conda, activate it before launching Jupyter so installed drivers are available. Now you'll create and test the connection. Form a SQL Alchemy URI with MySQL plus Mysql connector plus your user, password, host, port, and database. Load the SQL extension in Jupyter and run %SQL with that URI to validate the handshake. A quick select one confirms connectivity. Once validated, create an engine via SQL Alchemy. Create engine and use pandas. Read SQL query for flexible data frames. If you need parameterized queries, prepare them in Python and pass parameters to read SQL query. Finish by securing and saving your setup. Export DB credentials to environment variables or env file and reference them in the notebook. Never hard code passwords. Cache result sets in variables and use transactions for writes, committing only when ready. If things fail, first check firewall and MySQL user privileges, then confirm the connector and SQL Alchemy versions match. Upgrade/downgrade if needed. If you still see connection errors, test with the MySQL client from the same machine to isolate network versus driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.